guys, so here we go. I'm just gonna show you guys what I bought. I had to run to the store real quick. So I just bought garlic, green beans, broccoli, and tomatoes, which I'm actually gonna roast. I don't know about the broccoli, but definitely the green beans and tomatoes. I'm doing steak. The A1 dry rub to put on the steak. The best sauce to put on steak. By far the best sauce, hands down. Just some red potatoes. I got 2 packs, which I probably won't do both. You can actually put these in the microwave, but I'm gonna roast these as well. So I got 2 T-bone steaks. They're a little pricey, but whatever. And then some thyme. So this is everything I bought, and follow along. Hey guys, so for this next clip, I'm just showing you guys all the ingredients that I used to not marinate, but to season the steak with. And it was just the black pepper, salt, the A1 rub dry seasoning, and I did add a little bit of garlic and onion powder, but I didn't, I did that after, so I didn't record that part. But yeah, here's what I did. And I make sure to season it well. I also cut the steak in between, and you'll be able to see in a clip in a little while, but I did add enough seasoning so it can be seasoned well, and I made sure to rub it all in and give it a little massage, because you know what, if you have steak, they gotta be good. You gotta make sure, you know, you rub all over the steak, and that's exactly what I did. And as you can tell, Juliet was there being kind of annoying, but that's what happens when you're a mommy. So enjoy this clip of me making wonders. And also I did wash the steak before. I just let it sit in a little bit of vinegar, water, and lime sauce or lemon sauce for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then I took it out, let it dry, and just left it in room temperature before I actually seasoned it. So after I put the steak to the side to let it sit for a little while with all the seasoning, I just started cutting the potatoes. I did not end up using both bags. I used like 1.5, and then the other potatoes I just put it away for another day. So yeah. And please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. And let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like voiceovers, or do you guys want me to actually speak through my cooking videos? I was gonna do just speaking through, but it was too loud, and we were listening to music and drinking, and Julia was going crazy, and the kids were going crazy. So I just decided to do the voiceover. But let me know what you guys prefer. Okay, in this next step, I'm just showing you guys what I use to season the potatoes with. And honestly, everything I use to season the steak with, I use to season the potatoes with. And I actually put the potatoes in the oven before I put anything else in the oven, just because I knew it was going to take a lot longer. And I left it in there probably for like an hour and 20 minutes, and it came out bomb! Okay, now this step is actually self-explanatory. I did everything the same as I seasoned the potatoes and the steak. Everything was the exact same thing. I put this in the oven probably a good 45 minutes after the potatoes. And then I left it in there for an hour, and then every 30 minutes I just turned it around, and yeah. Okay, now here what I did was actually let the pan sit and heat up for like a good 15 or 20 minutes. I added a little bit of the extra virgin olive oil. I added the steaks, and then I added some garlic and thyme on top of it. I let it cook evenly on each side for about, I would say, a good 15 minutes on each side, and then I threw it in the oven. By the way, if you guys notice, Julia, don't mind her because she's always just up my little butt, especially every time I'm cooking. But I think it's so funny that she ran. I've never seen her run that fast. She ran to go see Coco, which is her favorite movie. And then, as you can tell in this clip, I just flipped it over after 15 minutes on one side. I flipped it over. Exactly what it's looking like. Added some garlic, some thyme over it. Let it cook for about another 5 or 6 minutes on each side, and then I'm going to throw it in the oven. Awesome. Let it cook evenly. Then, I have the potato there. I will throw the green beans in there after. Don't mind my beer. I'm having mommy time. I'm going to try to clean all this up. That's good. So it's getting that little brown color that I want. Oh my god, guys, if you guys can smell this, like, it smells like heaven. What I'm going to do is just going to add a little bit of this, which will be Jack Daniels. Just going to lather it a little bit. Give it some flavor. So it's actually been cooking for about 10-15 minutes now. And it has that nice little brown color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it. Down a little bit. For about like half an hour, 45 minutes. So, like I mentioned in the previous clip, after about 45 minutes of the potatoes being in there, I added the green beans. And then after the half an hour mark of the green beans being in there, I actually took it back out and I added some crushed cashews. And oh my god, guys, it tasted bomb. Just like the sweetness from the cashews, because it was salted with oh my god, I can't explain it. It was just bomb. Bomb. So this is the final product. I hope you guys like this video. Please let me know if you want to see more. And yes, thank you guys for watching. And oh my god, let me tell you, this came out bomb. I ate every single last bite. All right, bye guys.